In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for planning your day. Monday.com is a powerful tool that can help you organize and streamline your tasks effectively. Let's dive right in and begin exploring how you can maximize your productivity using this platform. First, you'll want to navigate to the Monday.com webpage. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button in the upper right corner of the homepage. Go ahead and click on that. For convenience, you can sign in using your Google account, making the login process even smoother. Alternatively, you can also enter the email address you want to use directly. If you choose to sign in through Google, you'll be prompted to select the specific email account you wish to use. Make sure you select the correct one to avoid any complications later on. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start creating your very own planning board. Within the workspace that you're now in, the next step is to create a board. Think of this board as a blank canvas that's ready to hold all your daily tasks. To create a board, look for the plus sign button beside your workspace and click it. This will give you the option to select a board. Choose this option to proceed. You'll notice an arrow-like button beside the board option. Clicking on it will provide you with the ability to start with a template. This is a fantastic feature that can save you a lot of time by giving you a structured layout to begin with. Once you select start with a template, you'll be taken to a page where you can explore many template options. Here, locate the search bar to streamline your search and type in daily work schedule. This template is particularly designed to help you organize your daily tasks efficiently. After typing in daily work schedule, you'll see this option come up among the templates offered. Simply choose this template. Next, click on Use Template to add it to your workspace. By following these steps, you have effectively set up a planning board with a daily work schedule on Monday.com. Now you can start inputting your tasks, deadlines, and priorities to keep your day organized and productive. Remember, the key to maximizing Monday.com is to regularly update and check your board to keep track and manage your workload effectively. With everything set, you should now be able to keep track of your day efficiently. So dive in and start planning your daily tasks. Thank you for joining me in this step-by-step guide to using Monday.com for planning your day. Stay productive, and I'll see you in the next video.